Are you guys coming on the trail?
I am here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we're going to take a little tour of the Maharajah Jungle Trek. We're going to check out some of the animals and just sort of enjoy ourselves in a nice leisurely stroll. This cute fella right here. Look at posing for the camera and everything. Oh, wow. I tell you what, I'm here a lot, and this is the most action I've seen out of this Komodo dragon anytime I've ever been here. Very, very cool. As you can hear in the distance, one of the safety messages, which is a very important part of keeping everybody safe and healthy here at Walt Disney World while they are open with limited capacity. This is really, really cool, by the way. This Komodo dragon being this active is very rare. It's probably going to rain in a few minutes, so it really, really cooled down a lot in the last hour or so. So that probably is playing a part in how active the Komodo dragon is being right now. But very, very cute, very cool. That was actually really, really exciting. So one thing that I'll say in a lot of these videos from Disney's Animal Kingdom is it's really easy to focus more on some of the big rides like Expedition Everest, Flight of Passage, even Kilimanjaro Safari and Dinosaur, and you just run from ride to ride to ride, and you might not enjoy things like the Maharajah Jungle Trek, where you can catch some of these animals. And it's so much more than a zoo, obviously. You know, this is not just a zoo experience. Disney does a really good job of taking care of the animals, but also making sure that you have the best chance possible to see some of these animals while you're here. Just checking out some of the foliage as we continue to move through. And I'm also trying not to catch people's faces. I figure I can catch them in the back. But if you're wondering why sometimes I'll drift off to the side a little, I want to try to make sure that I'm not showing too many people's faces.
Two more, there's three sisters in that, or the third sister, or sister went to the top.
So cute.
Yeah.
They're cute.
They really are. And now they're watching the Zoom show. We watch their show.
Yeah, they're like, what's going on over there?
Exactly. Up ahead will be
Hanging out on the tree.
That's the coolest thing.
You're welcome. One sister there. Oh, there she is. And the other sister's in the top. Oh, there she is.
Yeah, that's so very nice. Obviously do not feed the wildlife. We're heading in to the bat room now. So they make this really easy. If you want to see the bats, you can head here, but if they might scare any kids or adults in your party, they certainly have a way that you can avoid them. So there definitely must be some, because I see people pointing, but I just haven't gotten the chance to see them yet. But as people move through the room, I will move over and try to see if I can get you a sneak peek at some of these bats. Oh yeah, there's one guy hanging upside down there, if you can see him. Yep. Just chilling.
There's fruit that bugs called giant flying fox. Up to 6 foot.
Has up to a 6-foot wingspan, according to that cast member. Now we're gonna hopefully get something really exciting. We're gonna go up here and hope to see a tiger. And there are a number of different spots to potentially see tigers. So if we don't see one right now, it doesn't mean we're not going to get one here. Okay. They have all of these different viewing areas. So depending on where the animals might be hiding, might be sitting, you can often get a good view. So always travel in the well-traveled paths, but I'll tell you what, even beyond the animals, some of this theming here is just absolutely beautiful. The detail that went into building this, trying to make it look like ruins. Just gorgeous. Prayer flags. And I think some people might be seeing some tigers here. Just look at this detail and the things that you might not appreciate if you are just racing through to try to get to the next ride. It's a Sumatran tiger. that we will check out here in just a minute.
Thank you.
Just get the chance to check out the tiger taking a nap.
Tigers sleep 16 to 18 hours a day.
Thank you so much.
Sleep 16 to 18 hours a day, much like the cats you may have at home. And you can just see more of this detail. So beautiful. So beautiful here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We still have a little bit to go in Maharajah Jungle Trek. There's going to be another area where we may see one of the other tigers. And then there's a bird enclosure. I'm probably not going to take the video camera and have it operating in the bird enclosure, so we'll probably just be here for another couple of minutes. Here's some more of that awesome theming. Some water set up for travelers. There actually is a water fountain here. Disney's Animal Kingdom, in my opinion, is the park that gets the hottest over the course of the day. So if you get one of those, they're usually about $8. A Brita water filter for an individual water bottle. I think that's a really good idea. So you can fill that up at these water fountains, but still filter the water before you drink it. Here are the prayer flags. This is one of the tiger enclosures. It doesn't look like the tiger is right here right now. So we'll go check one of the other viewing areas here. Such a unique theme park, Disney's Animal Kingdom. So well themed, so beautiful. These carved sculptures on the wall here actually detail the story of the park. Everything Disney does, at least almost everything, has some sort of theme, some sort of story behind it. And this is the story of the park. It involves a flood that happened throughout the world, much like the biblical flood of Noah or the flood from the story of Gilgamesh. And then all of the animals throughout the world had to find refuge on Discovery Island. Then once the flood receded, the animals were able to return to their homes, but some stayed on Discovery Island. That's why on Discovery Island you can find a lot of animals together that might not normally be together. in parts of the world. That's the story behind Disney's Animal Kingdom, and it is portrayed through those carvings. I'm thinking that the tiger must be visible because there are a lot of people who are gathering up by this last viewing area. So hopefully I'll be able to get you in here in just a second and we can check out the tigers. This is always a nice area. To get out of the heat. Let's see. Oh yeah. Wow. Check out the tiger just resting in the middle of the afternoon. Pardon the pun, catching a little cat nap here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Such a great theme park.
Oh, Colin, Dad, come back here.
This is going to lead you into the bird sanctuary, but I'm not going to take you in there. For a free, no obligation quote on a Walt Disney World vacation, shoot me an email, rick@eartotheretravel.com, rick@eartotheretravel.com. And thank you for coming along and joining me for this walk around Maharajah Jungle Trek at Disney's Animal Kingdom.